right, let's see what we got as far as any sort of our gaps. Look at that in American Airlines. No idea why it opened up down, what, 1.75%, but it's rallied or covered almost all the way back, so nothing going on there. To the upside, we only have one. Facebook. Let's get that set. That's really all we have. Right, not much happening on the gap front. That's going to be, it's not too unexpected given that we really aren't moving. I know there was a question about Array Biopharma. They were bought out by Pfizer for, I think I saw, what, $11 billion?